Welcome to Davots Technology. I want to show you how to install Windows 10 machine on VMware Workstation Pro version 17. Ensure you download Windows 10 ISO. I'll put the link to the ISO in the description box. So you come here and click create a new virtual machine. Click next. You can either install from here, install this image ISO, or you select I will install the operating system later. I'm using the I will install the operating system later. Click next. Since it is Microsoft Windows want to install, select Microsoft Windows, then put version 10 here, then next, put the name of the virtual machine at Windows 10, create a folder here. I can either create the folder this way by clicking make new folder. So I'll name my folder. I'll make sure I select this so that I won't overlap my installation with an existing one. So click OK. Ensure this directory is correct. Click next. I want to store virtual disk as a single file. I want to use maximum disk size of 60 GB. Click next. Click customize hardware. Under network adapter, I will select a network which I've set already. And you can watch our video on how to set network in a virtual environment in VMware Workstation. Then go to new CD, DVD, auto detect. Select use ISO image. I'll browse to the directory where I downloaded the ISO image of Windows 10. This is where I will have my Windows 10 ISO image. Click it. Click open. It's now under the use image ISO. Then click close. Click finish. Before you proceed, you need to click edit virtual machine setting so as to have seamless installation. Under virtual machine setting, check options. Click advanced settings. Ensure this is set to BIOS. If you don't set it to BIOS, the installation will not proceed. It's better you set it to BIOS from the beginning so that you don't have to do that over again. So click OK. Then power on this virtual machine. Now, the language I want to use is English language, United Kingdom. The time and currency format, English language, United Kingdom. Then keyboard or input method, United Kingdom as well. Click install. I don't have the product key, so I'll click I don't have a product key. I'll select Windows 10 Pro, click next, accept the license term, then click next. Since I want to install afresh, I'm not going to use upgrade. I want to install afresh, then here, click next. This will take some time. The installation has to be 100% complete before we can proceed in the installation. Patience has to be exercised at this point. It's getting the files ready for installation. The installation features has also been completed. It's installing the updates now. Its updates completed and the installation is getting finished. The system will have to restart automatically in 3 seconds or you restart it manually by clicking restart. The system is getting ready. The installation has started. Let's start with region. Is this correct? Yes. United Kingdom region. Yes. Click yes. Is this the right keyboard layout? Yes. United Kingdom. That's my choice. You may choose anyone you like. You may choose Irish. You may choose Scottish. But I want to select United Kingdom. Click yes. Do you want to add a second keyboard? You can skip this. If you don't want to add a second keyboard, you have to sit back and relax while the installation continues. Do not turn off your device at this point so that the installation will be completed. The installation is still running, so you have to be patient at this point. The system is getting ready. Just a moment. Now, I want to show you something important at this stage. How would you like to set up your Windows machine? Are you setting up for personal use? If it's in your home that you want to set this machine up, you will select this. But I want to set it up for an organization, because I want to add it to Windows Server later. So you select set up for an organization because you want to add it to an organization's network. I'll show you how to add it to organization's network, Windows Server 2025. Click next. Instead of you putting it here, you click, once you are setting up for an organization, click domain join because you want to join it to a domain. Put the name of the person who is going to use this. I have put Olan as the name. Click next. Put the password of the person who is going to use this PC. Let it be a strong password. Strong password is a password that contains small letters, capital letters, characters, and numbers, and at least 8 of them. Next, confirm the password. Begin to answer these security questions. Here you click next, click next. Continue where you left off by importing from your other browser. You can just say not now. Click next. Let Microsoft and apps use your location. Get location-based experience like direction and weather. Let Windows app requests your location. I want to select no here. Find my device. Yes, this is important. Turn on find my device and use your device location, you can select yes in order to be able to track your device in case it was stolen. Then accept. Send diagnostic data to Microsoft. You can select yes. You can select send required data or send required data optional diagnostic. You can select based on the policy of your organization. All this based on the policies of your organization. Click next. Let's just skip this. Let Cortana help you get things done. Not now. Windows is getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. So you leave everything to Windows. Don't turn off your PC. Installation has been completed. Now, let me quickly show you a few things. Go to the File Explorer here. You open it. Then you right click on this PC. Click Properties. Then you scroll down and go to Advanced System Settings. Click that. Under Computer Name, you click Change. Here you have an existing name for your computer. You can change the name to Compute 1. The system is still on Workgroup. We have a server, Windows Server 2025, which we have installed earlier. It's here. And we have the domain name here, the server.local. We want to add this machine to the server. Click domain. Recall that when we were installing this machine, we said we are going to use it for an organization. So check domain. If you leave it here, it can't join the organization server. So you click domain. When you are naming your computer, you don't put any space in between the computer name. So computer 1. Put your domain name, which you have on the server. When you are installing for an organization, you'll be given the domain and you put it here. Then you click OK. You see an Active Directory domain controller for the domain server could not be contacted. Ensure that the domain name is typed correctly. We have typed this correctly, but it seems that this Windows machine is on dynamic IP. We have to set the IP to static. You go to the network here, network internet access, click it, click network and internet settings. You go down here, you click change adapter option. Yes, now double click this as well. Click properties. Go to internet protocol version 4 TCP IP 4. Click that, click properties. If you are working for an organization, they will give you the IP address range. Then you select one for this machine. If you click this, you get the subnet mask automatically, which corresponds to this IP address. The default gateway is the default gateway of the network, which I want to set the machine to. Then preferred DNS is IP address of my Windows Server 2025, which I want to join the machine to. Click OK. Click close. You can close all this. So you click this now. Promote to domain now. You can see that it's now working. The administrator of the Windows Server will be given to you. As Windows Server engineer, you will be member of the administrator. Then you can input your username as the administrator. But here I'll put administrator, then password. That password is the password of the Windows Server administrator that is installing the machine. Click OK. It will promote this machine to the domain. Welcome to the server. This is the Windows Server machine. So you have to restart your computer to apply these changes. Click OK. Close. Restart now, so as to apply the changes. The machine is restarting. Now that the machine has restarted, you press Ctrl+Alt+Delete from here. You put in the administrator password, which you put in earlier when you were installing Windows 10 machine. Press enter. Now you have a Windows machine which has been joined to the domain, that is the Windows Server 2025. Let's check this by opening the File Explorer. Click on Properties. You can see now that the device name has been changed to Computer 1. Then you scroll down, click Advanced System Setting, go to Computer Name tab, click Change. You'll see that the Windows machine is now a member of the domain. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.